G'day, Wade here from Diggermate North Lakes. This short little video is how to tighten or adjust your fan belt.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com and get it done with Diggermate.
To do this job you'll need a 12mm socket, 12mm ring, 13mm ring, 12mm ring and a pair of pliers. Easy job. Fan belt can be a bit tricky to get to, as you could imagine. What I usually do, obviously with the machine off and the key removed from the ignition, is I'll just reach in and feel the belt there. And this one I can feel it's far too loose. I like to have about 10mm of play in my belt. Okay, so the easiest way to get to the belt is to remove the reservoir tank, water reservoir. I usually just pull that out and place it over there somewhere, like that. And then you slide this up. I've already loosened it, so it's a bit hard. Slide it up and off. Okay, next step is to remove these two bolts, and we'll also have to pull that plug out which is holding this cable to the bracket. So bolts removed. Now this is the plug I'm talking about, which holds the cable to the bracket. You just get a pair of pliers and squeeze on there and she should pop out. Okay, so now we have to loosen the adjuster nut, which is here, and I guess we'll call it the lock nut, which is here. You'll see that the adjuster nut, the alternator is on a slide, so what we do is we loosen it and then we have to move the alternator back and put pressure on the belt. For some reason this is a 12 and this is a 13mm. With jobs like this I always find it easier to use a ring ratchet. You can get it in there and do what you have to do. Like that. Makes it much easier. Okay, now that we've got them loose, you can see that the alternator can be moved forward and back, putting pressure on the belt. I just like to do it hand tight. You don't want the belt to be too tight. If it's too tight, it's going to wear out your bearings and such. So I just usually do it, hand tight, do up those and then check the tension of the belt again. Right, so once everything's tight, you can check the tension of the belt. You find it's much better. There's about 5 to 10mm of play there, which personally I'm happy with. And now we just put all the components back as we took them out.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.